Morning guys, happy Friday wherever you are in the world and whatever day you are watching this. Now the last couple of days we've had two vehicles in, but we're rolling two vehicles into one video for you. We've got this 2022 Adria Matrix Supreme, and yesterday we had a 2026 Benimar in. They've both had the Vision Plus UFO digital amplified Freeview antenna, bit of a mouthful. But what we did is, because we were fitting so many TV aerials, we thought, well, let's see if we can get two vehicles on one video. But also this particular vehicle behind me has had the 5G Compact Smart Pro Wi-Fi system fitted with the black antenna. Now the customer of this vehicle wasn't overly keen about having a white TV antenna, but didn't want one of the newer models that has Wi-Fi built in, just because he wanted a smaller footprint, etc, etc. So he was going to take the antenna away and spray it, and then realised that actually it was a stupid idea, because probably after 6 months with the wind and the rain and everything else, it would just start to look a little bit patchy. So what we've done on this one is we have had to use the angle adjustment on the TV aerial because of the slight slope we've got, slight gradient. Now if we had fitted the TV antenna in its usual position, it would look like this and stupid and wouldn't be functional. So what we've done is we've adjusted the little gimbal inside just to bring the TV antenna so that it's now vertical, which you'll see on the roof in a minute. And the reason why we've got the ladders here is so that today, rather than just talking about the product, we can actually jump up there and have a quick look and show you a bit more about the work we do here. So yesterday with the 2026 Benimar, it was, I was about to say it's a lot more straightforward. It wasn't actually, because where we had to drill the roof was actually very technical, because of the fact that we only had one slim channel inside the vehicle for the antenna to come down in through, otherwise it would have been in the main living area, and that doesn't look very neat. So what we did on that particular vehicle is we took apart the electrics cupboard and we measured 10 times just to make sure that every single time we arrived at the same spot. And we used a long pilot bit to then drill up through out of the vehicle, not down through. And that showed us exactly where we were on the roof so that we could adjust the footprint of the antenna. Now, as you can see on here, the UFO Vision Plus TV antenna has quite a large footprint that is then bonded, sealed and screwed down. So what we did on the Benimar yesterday is we took one of the lugs out of the bottom here and allowed the cable to come out into this cavity area, which then gave us the ability to move the antenna over so that we had a nicer position. We never want to fit these near the edge, especially on a left-hand side of a UK motorhome, because of all the country roads, low hanging branches and whatnot. Luckily, this is on the driver's side on this one, but going back to how we were talking about the angle here, you can see that this is horizontal, and then it starts to slope up here. No problem at all with the Wi-Fi antenna, but with this one, you can see we've actually adjusted the foot so that the TV antenna is now straight or horizontal, reaches the sky and gives its best performance that it can do, bearing in mind that you've got other things to work with. You know, we're not going to remove this just to give this slightly better reception. There's no other room in this motorhome. It's a really well laid out, thought out vehicle, but we were unable to fit this anywhere else. In an ideal solution, this would be another 20-30 centimeters away from the TV antenna, but we were working in an electrical cupboard above the fridge freezer, which meant that we could do a really nice neat install in through here, and it means that then you don't have to worry about functionality, water ingress and other bits and pieces. So we don't have the 2026 Benimar here to show you, but during the video you will see some footage aspects of that install as well. We are in the 2022 Adria. Really nice. I really do like the layout and the colours that they've used on these, and this is going to be a popular model because it's really clean, modern design. This electrical cupboard is always here. We've worked on it many times before. You've got a full length fridge and freezer in here, which is really handy. And up here, behind all the electrical gubbins, you've then got what I call the electrical cupboard. This couple put a lot of stuff like toasters and kettles in here, but hopefully we've got enough light to show you in here. What we've done is a really nice, neat installation of the Wi-Fi and also the TV aerial. We are neatness freaks here. We love everything to have a little place and look nice and tidy. There's your antenna coming in, P-clipped, sealed. There's the Wi-Fi antenna coming in, and even though when we were up on the roof it looks quite close to the edge, you're actually not, you're quite far in, and that's just means again that you don't have any issues with branches on the right or left hand side of the road, and the customer can still put all their stuff away but still gain access. You don't really need to touch this. There is a switch for it, but it's powered off the main board, and the same for the Wi-Fi router. Once you put a SIM card in there, it's pretty much fit and forget. So there's no SIM card in there at the moment, but once we've handed over, we can pop a SIM card in, job done. So that's it. We've got 5G compact smart Wi-Fi in here, Vision Plus digital TV amplifier and radio reception if you wanted it, all nicely fitted, and that's in this 2022 Adria, and also a TV antenna fitted in the 2026 Benimar. If you're interested in any of the products that we do, or intrigued on how we fit them and the thought process behind all of that, one thing that hopefully you will notice, and everybody says to us when they see us or get booked in, is we do care about your motorhome. We aren't like many other people, businesses that will make a mess behind the scenes, don't have any pride or take any care with what they're doing. Everything gets hoovered out, everything gets cable tied, and something that we do regularly do here with a lot of our jobs is we find we're tidying up other people's work. Shouldn't have to do that, but we do, so that then we don't have any issues. Just behind this panel here is then the fuse. That's all labelled as well in case anything was to go wrong. That's it guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, keep a lookout for all of our other videos, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. See you next time.